I'm going to show you how I like to make scrambled eggs. And when I make them for myself, I use 4 eggs, I use some salt, Parmesan cheese, butter, and a little bit of water, and that's it. And they turn out so good. So here are my 4 eggs. I'm going to add a tablespoon of water and a ½ teaspoon of salt, and just mix. Now, these eggs, I like my eggs soft, and I do not like spongy eggs or dry eggs. So I like my eggs cooked but soft, and I'm going to show you how to do that. It takes, I use quite a bit of butter for 4 eggs. I do. They're so good. And for the Parmesan, I don't use the big holes, I use the small holes on a grater. And just grate off some. You don't need a whole lot. It comes out fairly fluffy, and that's almost enough. Just a 1, 2, 3, and that should be plenty. I've been heating this up on medium heat for 3 minutes, and it may be ready to take the eggs. I'm not sure, because I usually use a different burner. So here's about a couple tablespoons of butter, and it's not hot enough. 3 minutes wasn't long enough, but we'll let this continue to melt. And these eggs are going to absorb every bit of this butter. It makes them good. Believe me, these eggs are perfect. So I'll go ahead and I usually wait until it all melts, but I'll pour it in this time and get them started cooking. And when I cook these eggs, I stir them all the time, the whole time, because that means you're paying attention to them. See, they're starting to cook. It should take about 2 minutes or so to make this. And I hope you're not bored to death. I debated a long time, weeks and weeks, about whether I should do this. But here I am. Just stir. They're starting to go. They're getting close to halfway done, because once they get going, they get going. Just break up them curds. You don't have to, but I like to. You could add pepper to this if you wish. If you would rather add a tablespoon of milk or something, you can. Okay, this is ready to finish. I'm going to add another tablespoon of butter. Turn the heat off. And this butter will help cool these eggs off. And I have it lifted up off of the burner because I don't want it to be on there anymore. The pan's hot enough. These are practically done. And they're done. So I'm going to put them on my plate. They're nice and soft and tender. They're not hard or spongy or dry. And we'll put some Parmesan on them. Put some Parmesan. Parmesan goes perfectly with eggs. And the better the Parmesan, the better the taste, I think. And a little salt for the avocado. And see, doesn't that look nice? To me, it's perfect. Soft and jiggly and not spongy. They just melt in your mouth. It's so good. I hope you try my method. Thank you so much for watching.